question 7, we got some integration to do. So, given that k is a positive integer, part A, show that the integral between k and 3k of 2 over 3x minus k with respect to x is independent of k. So that means the value of k does not affect the answer. So let's find the integral and see what happens. So it's 4 marks for part A. So let's use substitution. So let's say u is 3x minus k. And then du by dx is 3 and now we need to find what dx is in terms of du. So if we multiply by dx and divide by 3, we get du over 3 is equal to dx. So the integral, we now need also as well need to change the limits. So when x is 3k u is going to be 3 lots of 3k minus k, so that's going to be 8k. And when x is k, which was our bottom limit, when x is k, u is going to be 3k minus k, which is 2k. So, the integral between k and 3k of 2 over 3x minus k with respect to x is equal to the integral between 2k and 8k of 2 over u, and now the dx is du over 3. Okay, so we got there a constant of 2/3. So let's take that out the front. So that's 2/3 in the integral between 2k and 8k of 1 over u with respect to u. So this is going to give us 3/2. 1 over u integrates to log u. Between 8k and 2k. So this is 2/3 of log 8k minus log 2k. Using the rules of logs, we can say that's 2/3 of log well, it's going to be 8k over 2k, which is 4. So we get 2/3 log 4. Now, as expected, there is no k to be seen, so the integral does not involve k, so it's independent of k. Cool. Okay, then part B wants us to show the integral between k and 2k of 2 over 2x minus k squared with respect to x is inversely proportional to k. So again, let's find the integral, see what's going on. So it's only 3 marks for part B. So let's use substitution again. So let u equal 2x minus k, and then du by dx is 2. So dx is du over 2. Change the limits, so when x is 2k, u is so it's going to be 4k minus k, which is 3k, and when x is k, u is 2k minus k, which is just k. So, in the integral between k and 2k of 2 over 2x minus k squared with respect to x is the integral between k and 3k of 2 over u squared. Now the dx was du over 2. Now the 2's there cancel out, so we just get in the integral between k and 2k, 3k, sorry, of 1 over u squared with respect to u. So that is u to the minus 2. So let's rewrite that as that. So we're integrating u to the minus 2 with respect to u. Now, this is going to give us u to the minus 2 integrates to minus u to the minus 1. So we get minus 1 over u between 3k and k. So we get minus 1 over 3k, add 1 over k. Now, if we combine these, we get Let's go for common denominators, so minus 1 over 3k, add 3 over 3k. So that's going to give us 3 minus 1, which is 2 over 3k. And therefore, the integral is inversely proportional to k. As k gets bigger, the integral gets smaller. Cool.